Have two laptops or an external monitor, but no idea how to connect them, right? Today, I'll show you how to use another laptop as a display, switch HDMI properly, and choose the perfect anchor tools to make everything seamless. Why use a second laptop as a monitor? Using a second laptop as a monitor lets you multitask like a pro. Edit here, browse there. But remember, most laptops only have HDMI output, not input. So you can't connect them directly with a cable. You'll need either wireless display or a proper docking solution. Wireless screencasting. On Windows, search for Projecting to this PC. Enable it, then hit Windows plus K on your main laptop, and select the second one. Instant wireless dual screen setup. HDMI setup for external monitors. If you're connecting an actual monitor, HDMI is your best friend. Use a powerful docking station like the Anker Prime TB5 docking station, supporting multiple devices, 4K at 60 Hz video, and up to 100-watt laptop charging. Its clean layout makes expanding your workspace effortless. So this dock is really built for those who need serious power and speed. Gamers who want ultra-fast refresh rates and zero lag, video editors cutting massive 8K footage, creators running multiple streams, or developers crunching huge datasets, you'll love what Thunderbolt 5 can do. And if you're an IT pro or a financial analyst juggling several monitors, you'll definitely appreciate its next-level connectivity. We've already made a dedicated video explaining the powerful features and detailed setup of the TB5. The link's down below, so go take a look if you're interested. How to switch to HDMI on laptop. To switch to HDMI, connect the cable, press FN plus F7, or choose Display Settings. Extend or duplicate. On Mac, go to System Settings, Arrow Displays. For devices with USB-C ports, plug in the Anker 518 USB-C adapter, 8K HDMI. It supports 4K at 60 Hz, delivering stunning detail for presentations or creative work. No drivers, no adapters, just plug and play. So, whether it's turning another laptop into a monitor or switching displays via HDMI, the right setup makes your workflow smooth and professional. Check out the links below for Anker TB5 docking station and Anker 518 USB-C adapter. Perfect partners for every multitasker. If this video helped you, remember to hit like and subscribe. See you next time.